Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to make presentation in Canva. So here I'm using Canva for PC and just simple. You can using a template here, and for example I'm going to make presentation with 16 to 9 for ratio. Just click this template and then you can find many templates available here, and just select this one as you like and according to your content. For example, this. Okay, you can click add and you can click add page here, and you can click add apply to page this template, and you can also add layout here. Okay, just edit the text, and then you can edit the images, and then you can also add elements here. So that's how to make presentation in Canva. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate. Bye bye.